So good morning, guys. I'm here in the front of ESDER IQ8 control M. We are facing an issue regarding the open circuit in the tunnel. Okay, so I'm doing the wire recognition or identifying the open and short circuit in the loop cable. So the effective way of finding the open and short circuit is to remove the one of the cable. Now I'm removing the loop in or the return cable from the last device. Now this panel, okay, this also the software, the Tools 8000, is not capable of using another loop cable. Okay, if two cables are connected to both are connected in the loop card or SLC loop, there is a tendency to use that another cable. Okay, this is a very intelligent control panel. Once you don't remove these two cable, the loop in or it's either the loop out going to the first device, and the device has some issue or something problem, it can use the other cable if both are connected. So the most powerful to identify the 100% assurance that you can identify the open and short circuit in the devices, you have to remove it's either of the loop out or the loop in, and you can start the wire recognition. So as you can see, if there is a issue or problem in the circuits, that LED is red lit is steady lights. So as you can see here, okay. So the normal situation is blinking, but when the LED is steady, there is something issue with the loop cable. So I'm waiting for the guys to bypass one of the device, because from device 41 it will open to device 42. So we already replaced number 42 and the cable, but it's still the same. So we're not doing, we will bypass the number 41. There is a voltage of 20 volts, but maybe the current is very small. That's why it will open in the number 42. So you can see this is a loop in or from the last device. This is a return cable from the last device, and this is the loop out for the going to first device. So this is IQ8 control M, and this is a extension module, okay, and this is the loop card. For each extension module we have, or micro module, another term for extension module is micro module, and for each micro module we have a 3 SLC loop or single line circuits loop, and for each single line circuits loop or loop card we have a 127 devices. So for each panel, we have a 2 micro module or 2 extension module for a total of 6 loops. Okay, 6 loop cards or SLC loop, single line circuits loop. So 6 times 127, this is the total devices available in the IQ8 control M. So this is the network, or what we call the Ethernet. Okay, 500 KBD and 16 KBD. If you are using a 62.5 KBD, you are only connected up to 16 control panels in a network. But when you are using 500 KBD, you can connect up to 31 control panel in a network. And this is the power supply, okay, for battery charger and everything is supplied to the circuits. So this is the CPU, central processing unit. Okay, this is the connection to the network. We have a 1 and 2 for the in, and 1 and 2 is for the out, and 3 and 4 is for the in. Okay, so this is the out and this is the in. Okay, and this is the power supply. We have a auxiliary voltage from the motherboard available, 12 volts DC. This is the fuse. This is the fuse for the battery 1, and this is the fuse for battery number 2. And this is also for the printer. Okay, fuse for the printer. And this is the available voltage, auxiliary voltage at 12 volts DC. So we have a total of 54 devices here. So as you can see, we have up to 54. Okay. So if you disconnect one loop cable, there is no way to use another cable. Okay, this is very intelligent. If the device is not available, it can use another cable to read that open devices. So we will start the wire recognition. You can see here a wire recognition. It will read from number 1 to 54. So you can see here. So I will show you from number 1 to 40. The problem is from number 41 up to 42. But we remove one device, so the open loop must be 40 to 41. So we will see. So as you can see, it will start from number 1 up to 54. So as you see guys, that still the same problem from the MCP 3963. It will open. Okay, loop is open. So you can see in our database, that is the original number 40. Now we bypass this 41, but still we cannot proceed to number 41. So meaning there is a problem with the cable in number 41 to 42. There is some issue with the cable. Because now before the open circuit is from 41 to 42, we bypass the 41. So meaning there's a problem with the cable between 41 and 42. This is our assumption. So we will see what happened. They will change the cable now, and we will gonna check what happened. Okay. We will update you guys. Bye bye.